soon so that I can actually go outside. Why is there two of these? Alright, this is not correct. Open project. Right, okay, what should I do here? We'll be counting stars, baby. So no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Hello, duck person. Let me find something. We'll be counting stars. Baby, I really like this, actually. This is pretty. I could... Alright, making a mic. Oh, that's cool. Had an idea for Bedrock Edition. Oh, that's really cool, actually. What is it about? Like, what's the mod all about? And no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Baby, please work critical. Dreams and nightmares. Interesting. Huh. Pretty cool. Oh, don't do that, Discord, please. Okay. It's kind of a mod maker for beginners. Nice. Very nice. I find things related to video games and like creating your own stuff for them to be very cool. So I think that is very cool that you're doing that. Very, very cool. I gotta say, this is very random, but I never really liked jungles very much. I like forests. I guess jungles are a kind of forest, but I mean, I don't know. Jungles feel a bit too wet. Like, I like dry forests. I don't know, that's just a random thing I thought of. This is a very large image.
Hola.
Hola.
Bien.
Why is it blurry? Okay, there we go. You know, I'm gonna draw a little something above this. And no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Where's my tablet? Feel free to just talk about whatever in the chat. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I don't know. I kind of went really off track. Extremely off track. So yeah, this is a problem for this project, but I'm sure it'll be fine, right? Maybe I should have made more notes. Should have made more notes for the project. Yeah, this game I'm making is gonna suck, but that's okay. Baby, right, where is me? Did I even put myself here? Oh, that's hold up. Where's that image? Just saw it. This is My mom on the roller coaster. Anyways, let me go here. See if I can find my shelf. As no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Baby, copy to new layer and then mirror horizontal. There we go. And now I just have to go down here. Oops. And do this. Luscious, wetter forests that are more dangerous. Huh. Luscious, wetter forests that are more dangerous. I don't know if I'm dumb or do I just not understand things sometimes? Cause I don't know. But anyways, I feel like jungles are kind of more uncomfortable for me because like they're wet, they're like rainforests, right? So um you know, forests to me and also jungles tend to be in like hotter climates. And I may live in Florida, but I don't really like the heat that much because when it gets into the summer, it gets hot. And then you can't even go outside. You can't even go outside and relax because it's just too hot. So that sucks. Um so what happens is that you end up staying inside all summer except for the times that you go to the beach, which is not fun. Let me tell you that. Uh but like I really like it when it's chilly outside and when like you can go to the park because I there's a park nearby. It's very big. And I really like going to the forest and stuff. It's very nice. Right, and it's broken, of course. Oh boy. Oh, Misa Animates is back. It's been a while, and I am struggling. I'm struggling pretty hard with this. Wait, does that thing even go to the... Right, it doesn't. I didn't... Okay, I gotta fix that. Nope. Edit. Okay. Transfer player to... Here. There we go. Right. Hi, Gummy. Right. Right. I may have forgotten something. Guys, I think I forgot something. Guys, you think I forgot something? Oh my god. Oh. Oh my gosh, dude, I love how I'm still in the background.
What are you doing, Gum? Here. You can have this.
What time is it?
42. I gotta go pick out the clothes, but you're streaming, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Anybody in the stream?
Yeah.
That person and Miss Animates? I don't remember her. Misa animate. Sorry, I don't remember her. Okay,
Right. Anyways,
I'll get the clothes myself.
okay.
Give me one chocolate to get me through. One. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye. All right. Let me actually read this. Oh my gosh, you actually got both. That's actually great. Oh wow. You got RPG Maker 2. Oh my gosh, you can make so much stuff with that. Wow. I didn't think that the next time you appeared you'd just be like, "Oh, yes, I got both of the things I wanted." That's amazing. Don't worry. She's going through some, you know, middle-aged woman stuff. She has you know, her brain's not at full capacity right now. Hopefully it'll go back to normal capacity once this is done, but you know, uh she forgets a lot of stuff right now, so it's okay. Can't just stop winning. Once I figure out how to use RPG Maker. Okay, actually this is a perfect thing, because I could actually, like, when you come onto the stream, I could, like, teach you some stuff. I don't have a tutorial project, like, because I don't know. But I could make one, and then I could help you. I could help you with some stuff that you want to learn. Because I think I know a good amount. I think I'm pretty fluent. Fluent, is that correct? Fluent in the language of RPG Maker, so I could assist you. Could assist you. Honestly, one of my favorite things is that you can. Okay, you know how to put your own art in it? Basically, you go to images, and then there's all the images. All you have to do is load them in, like, like Krita, for example, or whatever drawing tool you use, and then you just draw over them. Like here, I did this. Let me get rid of all this. I drew that on top of this default stock image, and this is in the folder that has all the tiles that you need for the menu screen. And so I just did that, and now it's my own custom thing. Right? That makes sense. It's kind of like modding, like where you go into something and then you just change the files up. You can also add new tiles or new files as well. So that's pretty cool. These stock things are pretty funny. Oh my god. It's a wolf man. Oh no. Oh, and the duck. That's not the right color. Okay. How to do the point and click choice thing type thing. Okay, so do you mean go here, like from this thing? Okay, ignore the broken timer. I have to fix that. I actually forgot what I did wrong there, so this is gonna be fun. So like this is actually very easy to do. You just honestly, to be honest, like picture-based games are so much easier than the map-based ones, because with the map you have to literally build the entire map. You have to walk around, and then sometimes it just breaks. I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes they just break. So it can be more stressful to make an actual map, which is why I like using pictures like this. Like pictures and choices, that's like the easiest thing you can do, in my opinion. Of course, you should still have a map if like it's an explorer type RPG. So you can actually, like, if you have like a map that's like the place where you are, and then you can walk through that to get to the different areas, and then it's picture based when you go there. Oh my god, it actually worked? What? But how come it doesn't go there when I... you know what, never mind. It's supposed to disappear, actually. Why didn't you disappear? Anyways, make kind of visual novel, you can move in it or something. Alright. So, let me go back. Oh, great. This guy's gonna be there forever. Right, right, I want to change that into, an actual ghost instead of just the stock image, so... yeah, ignore that. Right, so what you need to do is you need to make pictures. So the pictures, these are the pictures. And what I do basically, because sometimes when you don't do this, they don't appear in the game. But what I do with the pictures is I go to battle backs, and then I basically just do what I did here, where I import the picture into the same thing, into the same file, and then it appears over that. And so I just kind of do that. I basically import the picture into the picture file thing in Krita, and then I resize it and stuff, and then that picture replaces the one underneath it in Battlebacks. So, like, I've replaced these Battlebacks, and then I will cut and paste them. So you cut and then go to pictures. It has to be in pictures or else it won't show, and then you paste it. And then once it's in there, you can mechanics scene setup. Right, so here, show picture. Show picture, this is how you control the pictures. Okay, if you want to show picture, you just click on the picture you want to show. And then, like this for example, and then you move it around, see if it's good. And you have to always number them. Remember that.
Your kiddo's outside. He will not stop meowing, following me around. I tried to give him chicken. He like goes to the food like he's hungry, but then he like doesn't want it. And he keeps following me. He's standing in the window. Meow, 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 meow. I have no more cans to give him. I have no more. I give him all the cans.
What do I do?
I don't know. See, comfort him. Ask him what he wants.
Oh, he can't talk. Okay. Alright, so you always have to number them. Picture 1. And, yeah. So then, if you run an event, trigger it to parallel, and have it show picture, then the picture's automatically gonna show. Because parallel ensures that it runs, and then other things can be done. Auto run is similar, except you literally can't do anything while the event is running. So always use this if you want it to be an actual scene that you can interact with. And these things are just things if you touch the event, so we don't need that. Okay, and get out of here, clock. And so then it's pretty simple. It's not here. It's pretty simple. Show choices. Show choices is gonna be your best friend. I know I shouldn't be doing the tutorial in this thingy, but yeah. You go to, where is it? Show text and then show choices. And then this is gonna be your best friend if you want to do a choice-based game. Yes, no, la 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 la. And then when you show choices, and then it starts branching. When yes, you do something, and then when no, something else happens. So it's very... Okay, what else can I do? My mom just told me to ask my cat what's wrong, and I don't know what to do. So, anyways, look at these boats. Ha 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 ha. Anyways, uh, I'm dying. Okay, I don't think I did this correctly. Huh? I don't understand. What did I do wrong for this one? I swear map-based ones are so hard. That's why the next game after this... Alright, ignore that. The game that I'm gonna make after this is gonna be... picture-based. Why is it not moving? Genuinely, why is it not moving? Ah! Wait. Walking. I literally made it walking. What are you talking about? Oh, why is this so hard? I swear map-based things are so hard. I mean, I feel like every like game should have at least a map where you can explore if you're doing a big RPG, but it can be complicated. You might think it's just layering tiles on a thing, but no, it takes time to make a good map. And I don't think this is a very good map, to be honest. It's a bit silly looking. Not to mention sometimes it can break, and that can be very frustrating. Sometimes they break and then you can't do anything to fix them. Anyways, speaking from my own trauma with this engine, I'd recommend for like a starter project to do the picture and choice thing. Oh, and the battle system. Let me go to my other project to show the battle system, because the battle system is very fun. This is the next game I'm going to make after this, hopefully. After the one I'm making right now. Ignore the stock images. Go to this one. So, yeah. The fights are fun because you need to have, like... You need to pay attention to what you're doing. And you have to have, like, a certain, strategy. So yeah, I haven't used the battle system, like, at all before this. So, but now that I'm actually trying to use it, it's not that hard at all. But I can't really give any tips on it right now. Because I am just starting with it. Oh yeah, I have to fix the drop thing, because you should not get money from battling. at least for the context of my RPG. That would be very ridiculous. How do I get the scene setup thing? I'm a little slow, gang. Okay. Good stuff need dedication and effort. Indeed. Where thumbnail? I don't have a thumbnail for these things. I don't know. Alright, time for me to make a tutorial, or to go to... Actually, let me just go to one of my test projects. Let's go to rhythm test. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this. Oh, all of my old projects. What is this, actually? What did I try to do here? Wait, I want to see what this is real quick. Wait, what? That's me? Oh, this is me? What? What is this? Hold on, guys. I gotta figure this out. Oh, yeah, now I remember. Game over. Right, it was supposed to be like a little thingy. So yeah, ignore all this. So I'm gonna play around a little bit with this. Okay. So I'm gonna make an event, and it's gonna be a touch event. Because, okay, to be clear, parallel will make it run automatically and allow other things to happen, right? Auto run makes it so that the thing runs automatically, but you can't do anything while it's happening. And then the rest of these are just basically you touching the event on the map. So I'm gonna do action button, which means you have to click on it. And so show text. Do you want to show a picture on screen? And then we go yes or no. When yes, we go over here and show picture. Let me see which one. Okay, fine. And then we see where we want the picture to be. Here, for example. Okay. So you need to show picture. Oh, wait, I made it invisible. Dang it! Where is it? Dang it, I'm gonna have to make it visible. I made it oopsie. Okay. Yes. And then the picture is on screen. So I did that, basically show that you can, okay, so I showed you the text, you can just write text, and then you can use the choices. So when yes, you put whatever down there when you want to make a choice. So I made it show picture. And so to show picture, you just should go to show picture, pick the picture, put it where you want to put it, and that's that. Does that make sense? Also, I'm gonna have to. Who is this person? I'm gonna have to go soon because I have to go exercise outside. Also, I have to go to the bathroom. But anyways, does that make sense or did I fumble? You know, I'll just make it. I'll make it a parallel. Delete. So parallel, you just show picture. Right, I'll just put the picture wherever, whatever. So this is automatically going to show the picture, and you want that in a scene. And so we wait 1 second to paste it a little bit, and then show text. What's your name? And then here's a fun bit. Name input processing. You can go up to 16 characters, I believe. Yeah, 16. And so what you want here, it says read, but I can go here real quick and delete that name so that automatically you do not have a name in the game. And so it changes your name after you do that. Like when you input your name. And then here's another trick. Nice name. Where is it? Actually, if you hover over the text box, it'll show you all of the different codes you can put in so that you know how to, like, do different tricks. Okay, I'm gonna do this, which makes it pause until you click a button. And then I'll put 1. I believe it's 1. Yeah, because it's the first character. So you have to write this in order for it to say your name. I think that's the right one. If it's not, I'll fix it. Right, so the image is automatically there, and then the scene automatically starts up. Okay, hopefully this is the right thing. Nice name, and then since I put that, yeah, there we go. It worked. Does that make sense? Figured it out, yay. Oh, are you... Yes, it does. You mean the thing I'm doing? This is literally just a tutorial. So, yeah, it's cool that you can do that. Yes, it is very cool. So there's a lot of things you can do to make a unique experience with this. There's a lot of little tricks you can do. So did you figure it out? I hope you did. Yes. I don't know what time it is for you over there. I might consider streaming a little bit again, like after I eat, in maybe a little over an hour from now. Yeah, a little over an hour from now. Okay, so I don't know if you can come back. We have 3 people in chat. I think the Doug person left, but I can't confirm. Which is pretty cool. But I might consider streaming again in a little bit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go now, so I can go exercise and stuff. Let me just get this out. Excuse me. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. It's 6 p.m. for me, so I'll be good. Alright. Alright. So, I will hopefully see you again soon if I decide to do that. So, goodbye.